Welcome to the June 2025 edition of Corporate Reporting Insights. Now, we are delighted to announce the launching of our tailored AASB S2 checklist, which has been designed to support organizations of all sizes in assessing compliance, identifying gaps, and preparing audit-ready disclosures. You are very welcome to download our AASB S2 checklist from our BDO website. If we look at the articles included in Corporate Reporting Insights, we've got a number of articles within Australian Financial Reporting Developments. We've got a number of articles in the second section, IFRS Accounting Standards, and also 6 articles within the third section dealing with sustainability. Let's start with the first section, looking at Australian financial reporting developments. Now here we've got 3 articles. First of all, we consider 10 things to remember for 30 June 2025 financial statements. The next article is looking at key focus areas for ASIC's 30 June 2025 financial reporting surveillance. And then the third and final article of this section is looking at changes to the consolidated entity disclosure statement by Australian public companies. If we go on to the second section, IFRS Accounting Standards, 4 articles. First of all, we look at common errors in financial reporting and audit quality, in particular dealing with complex and judgmental transactions and arrangements. In the second article, we look at depreciation periods for right-of-use assets and how that will change if the lessee revisits extension and termination options. In the third article, we look at the new IFRS 18 and explore the financing category for entities with specified main business activities. And then the final article in this section, we consider hyperinflationary economies for June 2025 reporting season. Here we note that Ethiopia ceased to be a hyperinflationary economy during 2025. However, Burundi has been added as a hyperinflationary economy during 2025. Now, in the third section, we look at sustainability, and here we've got 6 articles. First of all, ASIC provides guidance on the modified liability settings for mandatory sustainability reporting. In the second article, we ask the question, are you considered an asset owner for Group 2 climate reporting purposes? In the third article, we look at climate reporting clarity and in particular, practical answers for finance and sustainability leaders. In the fourth article, why value chain visibility matters for AASB compliance. So we consider the why around value chain visibility. In the fifth article, we focus on pillar 2, that's the strategy pillar of AASB S2, in particular a focus on climate resilience, targets and scenario planning. In the final article of the sustainability section, but also the final article in this month's CRI, we look at the European Commission's first omnibus, key proposed changes to the CSRD. We hope you enjoy this edition of Corporate Reporting Insights.